Rule: Counselor or social worker. 1. Main problem. The main problem in the scene is bullying. Two students are ganging up on Jan and insulting him by calling him lampa. This is a form of verbal and social bullying where a student is repeatedly mocked, embarrassed, or targeted by others.
May bago na naman akong pagtitripan sa klase namin.
2. Emotional and psychological effects. Bullying can have serious effects on Jan, such as low self-esteem. He may start believing that negative things said about him. Sadness or anxiety. He might feel afraid to go to school or to interact with classmates. Isolation. He may avoid classmates or activities because he feels unwanted. Loss of confidence. He may stop participating in class or school activities. In some cases, bullying can lead to stress, depression, or anger.
Consequences of bullying encourage her to apologize to Jan, change her behavior. For professional steps would take a counselor social worker. I would interview the student involved, Jan, Maria, and the other student. Provide emotional support to Jan and help him feel safe. Documents the bullying incident according. Learn to treat others kindly and understand how their action affect others.